Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and this is a deck walkthrough of the Herbana Witch Oracle deck. 50 cards. Well, there's a guidebook I'm going to show you now. The art is by Alice Guidi and written by Cecilia Lattari. So it's for the herb witches. Hang on a second. She's deeply tuned to the forest mysteries. Okay, so it's standard box. Let's pop that to one side. There are the cards, and then she does it at the very beginning of the deck. You have an introduction where she tells you the deck you hold in your hands is inspired by the Herbana Witch, the one who is most in touch with the earth element. The cards you will find here are like small snapshots of the seasons that follow one another cyclically, combined with plants, tools, animals, and suggestions coming directly from wild nature. Herbana, revered as the goddess of small things, imparts her essence in the intricate illustrations accompanying each card's meaning. This oracle deck stands as the perfect conduit for embracing life's minutiae, regardless of the season you find yourself in. So the essence of the deck beckons you towards simplicity, urging you to broaden your perspective to include the unnoticed, the bark, the grass along the path. So it's a real nature deck. How to use it? It's a development deck. So first of all, I suggest that you look at each card and let it speak to you. You might find it enlightens you to jot down a few lines inspired by the imagery before delving into the card's designated meanings. This could serve as an excellent introductory exercise to connect with the deck. So, and then you have all of the cards. And that's it. There we go. So let's have a look at the cards. It's quite a little sizable book. I'm just looking now to see if there is actually, if she gives you any instructions. Yeah, she does, but it's along the lines of the connecting with nature. So you use them to connect with the nature. Wander into forest and select a leaf from a beloved tree to place among the cards. Gather wildflowers and lay them atop the deck for the duration of a full moon night. Arrange the cards around a tree, forming a mandala, or let the deck rest in contact with the earth for a night. And then obviously you will shuffle and you will explore its insights. So it's very much a self-development deck. Let's have a look at the cards. All of the backs are the same. We have it's a glossy deck. It's nice and easy to hold in the hand. Good size. Lovely artwork. So you've got these different, there she is, Herbana. At the end, I'll randomly pick one and then read the meaning in the book. So you get an idea. I love mistletoe. So you get an idea, and holly. We've got candles. I'm looking to see if there's actually, if she's divided the colours. This is a working deck, you know. So if you'll go and consult with a witch and you have a problem, and she'll then provide you with, you know, the cure, the remedy. This feels, I don't know how you feel about it, but it feels very remedy driven, if that makes sense to you. And then you'll find the card. I wouldn't even say that. I wouldn't have a clue how to say that. Yeah, it feels remedy-led, doesn't it? You could design your own spread for this. But it's very much forward focused, as opposed to like what happened in the past is almost irrelevant really in this. This is about finding solutions from nature, allowing nature to help you. So I'm going to randomly go like that. What have we got? The primrose. So let's see if these are in alpha. Are they? The primrose. It's always helpful if they are. The wolf. The candles. Oh gosh. The mistletoe. The Jupiter. It's the witch. Is it at the front? That's sometimes, yeah, it's at the front here, which is good. So the primrose, because, you know, if you've got to hunt this thing down, 31. Right. If you're in search of hidden treasures, remember to carry a bunch of primroses. They might aid you in your quest. And if you wish to glimpse a fairy, simply place a primrose beneath your tongue. Symbolic flowers of spring, they announce afternoons in the meadows, spent in free time reading a book or daydreaming. If this card has crossed your path, it's a cue to bring lightness into your heart. The solution you seek lies in the act of lifting, not in burdening yourself. Allow yourself to lighten up. Maybe that was a card for you. Maybe that was relevant for you. Okay, so let me know what you think in the columns. Goodness me, in the comments. And thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.